Hello everyone. I am so excited to actually show y'all Armada Optimus Prime B in my collection now. I am so happy that my friend, he knows who he are. Who he are. That doesn't make any sense. Sorry guys, I just got off of work. Anywho, he knows who he is. And I just want to say thank you. Anywho, just being silly. Get these guys out of the way. I filmed an unboxing and I ran out of storage. So I filmed another video and my phone fell because it's on a tripod. So this is the third time's a charm. This box art is gorgeous. Chef's kiss. Mwah. This box is beautifully made. I think it might be my favorite commander, which isn't fair because I grew up watching Armada and Energon and Cybertron and Beast Wars, of course. So that's the front of him, and they got some really cool art, and they got some Cybertronian letters. It's probably Optimus Prime or Transformers. It's probably Transformers, to be honest. And yeah. I hope you guys are able to find this guy. They really don't put Titan Commander class figures in stores these days. It feels like. There's a QR code if you need it. And I guess you can take a little decoder. If you pause the video, I guess you could take a decoder to that. I mean, you can... It's kind of easy to see the blue bar though. Wow, even, wait a second. Oh, okay, watch out. I don't know. It like did it so, oh look, that's so smooth. That's how you know you got a good figure. Anywho, there's the combined form. I do have Armada Overload, and but I'm not gonna show off him. The combined mode, at least. I might do a comparison. There's all the functions. There's the barcode if y'all want to pause the video and y'all can hopefully get this figure. Hope y'all do. This guy looks amazing. All right, he did come with this trailer. And so much detail they put in this. I don't know what this is. I think that's just his leg. Anywho, yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's nice to have an Armada figure without electronic gimmick. Although I'm a sucker for those. And this somehow goes, I think it's like that. And I know it goes right here. It's just, how does it do it? I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with that for the sake of time. He got his really nice sculpted gun. And Optimus. I will try to transform this one. I watched bits and pieces of how to transform him. I didn't watch too much. And this is the scary part. Jeez. That's the part that you need to worry about stress marks. Because I think they worry about stress marks with the hinges up here. But... oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know what was going on right there. Okay. Come up here. Push that off to a side. It's a little different. And yeah, that original Optimus, it's good, but then it's not good. Because it's a statue, almost. Pretty much. But it was really cool because as you're transforming Optimus into his robot mode, the trailer would automatically transform into the base mode. Then when you're trying to make the combined form, you get Optimus in this position. As you transforming that, the trailer actually becomes the legs, which is pretty cool. I think it's pretty much ahead of its time. I think you really don't see that much of that these days. And yeah, that's Optimus. I know this little piece comes, oh, I think this needs, oh, it's already up. This also comes down, I think in truck mode. This little piece comes off. What's going on? Can't stand. Come on, don't you want to stand? That doesn't really stay in place. But oh well, this guy is nice. And all the joints feel pretty good. I was worried that my friend wouldn't, he would keep this because how good it looks. Give him his gun. Not really staying that well. Let me adjust this. Hope his center of gravity, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's see. Now they did show off Tidal Wave, which I still worry about how he's gonna put. I think everything, all his armor connects to the backpack that he gets for combined mode, which is great. But here's a comparison as I ramble. But it's still pretty bad. Wait, why am I? That doesn't even fit. Why am I trying to plug that in? Does any of this? Okay, I'll use Optimus gun. It really doesn't show it that well. Okay, it really doesn't show it well, but this needs to be tighter. That's if they're going to do the original, you know, combined form way. Trying to make Optimus stand. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, there's Megatron. And for the last comparison, oh, you probably heard him. Here's that's so cool. Brick Boy, Brick Man himself. This dude is a brick, but he is gorgeous as well. Yeah, he combines with Optimus. I don't know if they're gonna remake him, but if they do, I don't need him. I don't need the remake because he does what he does exactly what he's supposed to for Optimus, which is great. Combine and make this big artillery on his shoulders. And anywho, yeah, this guy. Try to get this guy as well, because like he got his hidden like missiles in here. Any of the repaints for him. So I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope y'all like this video, and if y'all do, please click that like button. It really helps a lot. And if you want to see more, then I don't know why I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just put it like that. If you want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys. Trying to get a good thumbnail. Probably gonna leave this in because I don't know how to take clips out. Anywho, I hope you have a good luck hunting. I hope you guys get this this figure. This figure is amazing, and I hope you'll have a good holiday. Bye, guys.